Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, hope you are doing well. Today's verse comes from Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 13. Allah mentions, Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min dhakarin wa untha. O mankind, we created you from a male and a female. وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلَ لِتَعَارَفُوا, and made you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. إِنَّ أَكْرَمَكُمْ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ أَتْقَاكُمْ. The most honored of you in the sight of Allah Almighty is the most righteous. إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلِيمٌ خَبِيرٌ. Surely Allah is all-knowing, all-aware. My brothers and sisters, this is a very powerful and meaningful verse of the Holy Quran. First of all, Allah addresses the mankind, all humanity, not only the believers, not only the Christians, or not only one particular nation. No. Allah said, Ya ayyuhan nas, O mankind. And you know, the scholars mention that why Allah addresses all the mankind rather than addressing one particular nation or one particular group of people. The reason behind is that because the matter Allah Almighty is going to mention in the same verse, it's related to the mankind. It's not related to one group of people or believers only or Muslims only. No, it's for all mankind. And what is the matter? Matter is that inna khalaqnakum min dhakarin wa untha. Allah said, we created you from a male and female. By mentioning these two genders, my brothers and sisters, Allah puts away all other identities that are being pushed into our minds beside male and female. Allah washes away all other thoughts, all other agendas that are being promoted or pushed or forced into our minds, my brothers and sisters, by saying this, min dhakarin wa untha, that we created you from a male and a female. And interestingly, the next part of this ayah is very important, my brothers and sisters, where Allah mentioned, وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلَ, that we made you into different nations and tribes, لِتَعَارَفُوا. There is only one reason why we have so much different tribes in this world, why so much different colors in this world, why so much different language in this world. لِتَعَارَفُوا, only one reason, so that we may know one another, we may appreciate one another. And if there were only one food in this entire world, there wouldn't be any excitement. If there was only one color, if there was only one language in this entire world, there wouldn't be any excitement. The world would have been like purposeless or boring place to live in. But my brothers and sisters, Allah made these different nations, these different tribes, only for one reason, لِتَعَارَفُوا, so we may appreciate one another, so we may know each other. And at the end, Allah mentioned, Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Never feel you belongs to this nation, so that's why you are honored. Allah said, no wealth, no status, or no skin color give you honor. True honor is something that Allah is describing, and that is being most righteous in the sight of Allah Almighty. So your language, your skin color, your tribe, your food does not give you honor. Your wealth, your success, your vehicle, your house does not give you honor. True honor is inna akramakum indallahi atqakum, being most righteous in the sight of Allah Almighty. And we make dua that Allah Almighty may make us among those who are the most successful, the most righteous in the sight of Allah Almighty. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.